Hello guys, today's video we're gonna play Teddy. My cousin said this game is cool. This is an OG game. Vote player, maybe player AI. AI is good though. That's right. There. Go. Let's go. Let's find the keys to escape. He has speed. Nice. And Bluey just got the blue key. Where's the blue? Ooh. Oh. No. No. No, I died. Let's spectate. Sorry guys, I'm not good at English. I just started my YouTube account at Sunday because my cousin has a channel too. The game name in Roblox is Teddy, so you can play it for free. Ooh, nice. Why is he jumping like that? Why didn't he get the shovel? Bro, why didn't he? Oh, the blue key. He wants the blue key. Yeah. He wants the blue key. So cool, right? He got the pink key. Go to the pink room. So you can get a key or something. Yes, it's a key. It's the cyan key or the yes, it's the cyan key. Go there. There's the ooh, that's the Teddy. Fast, go, nice. Get the cyan key. There. What? Ooh, dark. Ooh, fast, nice. He's good at this game though. No. What is he doing there? Is he doing a glitch? Like, bro, what is he doing there? Let me this. Bro, what is he doing? He died. Yes, the block key. Go to the entrance. I mean the exit, so you can escape fast. Nice. They are good at this game, guys. So if you know him, if you guys know them, just say it to me at the comment section so I can add them. Wait, I can add them here. Wait, what's different? Maybe this too. Let me add this. Let me add. Yeah, yes. Yay, I have new friends. Maybe player. I want to be Teddy too. Uncle Henry's mansion. This one is scary. Maybe. Ooh, there's. Ooh, let me. We just got the red key, guys. We need. Ooh. Bro, I'm literally blind. Oh no. It's AI, right? Let me find. Ooh, just see. Yes, I escaped. Yay, I escaped, guys. Where's the white key? Let's find the white key. Let me close the door real quick. Where's the white key there? Where's the white cat? Luffy. Oh, there. It's here. There. It's there. Huh? Oh, maybe it's I know. Wow! What was that? Oh, it doesn't even scared me, bro. Ooh. The blue key! The blue key's there. Let me get it real quick. Where's ooh, there's the teddy. Let me get that. And there's the door. Yes, it's in here. The book is here. Let me get it. Got the blue key. Ooh. No, he died. Ooh, no. I need to go here. AI is good though. Yes. I escaped death. Yo, he's about to kill me, bro. Where's the door? Here, that's it. Ooh, I know where's the purple is. Let's just fire! There. Now let's go here. There. Hey! No! Guys, I'm a Filipino. Ooh! I know where the hammer is. It's right there. I remember it. Whoa, 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 whoa. The teddy is here. I mean the skeleton. Bro, cause look at his skin. Look like a skeleton. You know where the hammer is? In here. Where's the skeleton? Where's the... Ooh! Come here. No, I died. No, I'm not good at this game. Watch me play this game real quick. Let me buy some skin. 15. Yeah, I need some clothes. Outfit. Whoa. I need this. I'm gonna save money for this. It's so cool, guys. Let me choose that. Whoa, not that one. Whoa, there's cutie. The first one, the candy one, and the Borg one. Ghosty and Pansy. Fallen and Magician. I need to buy the Mr. 878 pesos. The problem is I need to save for the clothes. I mean the outfit for this Starry Night. It's so cool, guys. Yes. Huh? Am I the only player? Yes. There's two now. I'm gonna choose players so I can beat Teddy and I can kill him. Yes, Daker. No, there's bacon here. But I'm not saying bacon hair is ugly. I just want to be Teddy. I respect all avatars. Okay, let's go. I know this map. First, we're gonna go in here. Oh, maybe not. Here. Yeah. Sorry guys, it's super noisy outside. After this, I'm gonna eat and go to school. By the way, my age is 10 years old. I need to work for some money to get some money for my mom cause my dad died. Yeah, when I was just a kid, my dad died. So I work hard in the YouTube so I can pay my mom for his hard work to me. So by the way guys, let's end this up. The white key, I just got the white key. I know where's the white key there. Ooh, the Teddy is good though. Bro, the Teddy is good. No, maybe it's here. Let me open this door real quick. The code, I just see the code. There. There's the Teddy. The Teddy. I see the Teddy. There. Let me go and get the yellow key in the playground here. And got the shovel. And dig in here. Let's dig here. And purple keys. Oh, I remember the purple keys. The purple key is in there. Can you hear watch me play? No. Let me joke this Teddy first. Oh, the wrench. I need to joke this so I can get the key in the chest. There. The Teddy can't kill me. Yeah. Let's go. Bro, there's a bald one with no hair. I need to go here. Go in here, guys, so I can get key in here. Bro! Yes, I got the key. The green key. I know where's the green key. Bro, no hair. Go to the playground and fix the toy. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Yay! I finally escaped. Bye bye, guys.